Okay, so in the third practice task, lab task, because practice tasks we're having the five-liner codes. So let's directly practice the lab task as it will be more clear for us because in this video we are going to discuss how the shell programs, bash programs works. Okay, so moving towards the first program, and we will be creating the file in the terminal in VMware Ubuntu terminal. The extension of the file will be .sh, and as in upcoming lab tasks it will be about .c extension, but here we are using .sh for shell. Also this program is going to give us the leap year, if it is the leap year or not, so that's why we are naming it as leap.sh. Okay, here's the sorry gedit leap.sh. Now what gedit does is that it creates a file. This is the program. It will ask you to enter the year. You will enter the year, it will read it, and then the condition is here mentioned that if it is divisible by 4 or not divisible by 100, not or and divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100, or divisible by 400. Any of the condition will be met, it will show us that the year is a leap year. If not met, then not a leap year will be displayed. Okay, so executing it with the already inbuilt commands, and last, so year 2002 is not a leap year. Again, /leap.sh 2003, it is not a leap year also. /leap.sh 2004 is a leap year. Okay, that's how it is explaining us the output. Moving towards the second file, the second file is going to give us, what's the second program showing? It is going to give us the factorial, so it will be factorial.sh. This is the program. Let's execute it, understand it. It will ask you for the number, and factorial equals to it will start, the factorial will start from the 1 and it will add up till the number you entered. This will give you the factorial. Mod plus x factorial dot sh dot /factorial dot sh. Enter the number 3 and the factorial is 6 because 3 2s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. So yeah. Okay, so last program, which is about swapping, basic swapping like we did in our data structures, like bubble sort. We will be having a bubble sort mechanism to sort this out. Creating a file swap.sh, pasting the code. What it will do, that it will ask you for the first number, then the second number, then for the swap the before output of the before, what were the numbers, and then after that what it will do is that it will take the number 1 and number 2, storing the value of the number 1 in some temporary variable and storing the value of number 2 in the first one, and then taking from the temporary it will again settle it into the number 2. Now both of these numbers are swapped and temporary will be, it was just a garbage value. After swapping, the print statement is there. Now let's check whether it's right or not. Executing it, sort swap dot sh dot slash swap dot sh. Okay, so number 5, number 4. Before number 1 was 5 and number 2 was 4, but after that number 1 is 4 and number 2 is 5, so they got swapped. These were the 3 basic simple programs we understand today uh, that how the shell programs, the bash programs work. That's all about the third lab task.